Meaning of hydroelectricity.
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 Hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity is a form of electricity that is generated by harnessing the power of flowing water. It is typically produced by damming a river, creating a reservoir of water, and using gravity to direct the water through turbines. As the water flows through the turbines, it spins them and generates electricity. Hydroelectricity is a renewable energy source that is clean and reliable, as it does not produce any greenhouse gas emissions or air pollutants. It is also versatile and can be used for a variety of applications, such as powering small rural communities or supplying electricity to large cities.